Hey guys, welcome to the first Ed's Tech YouTube channel video of 2019. We're starting it off with the JBL GO 2 that I just got from Walmart probably about an hour and a half ago maybe. We're going to do a pairing with my Galaxy Note 9, unboxing it and pairing it with the Note 9, so let's get straight to it. Alright guys, well I got it unboxed, so we're just going to take it out of this thing right here. Alright, got it right here. Now we're going to get on the Bluetooth page, and then I'm just going to power it up and connect it. Alright guys, we're back, and I'm just going to turn this on. I turned this on off the video, but then I decided just to turn it off, turn it back on again. Listen to this. I like the way that sounds. That's really cool. Alright, now she's already in the pairing mode, so. And she's connected. Alright, well. I'll test the JBL 2 in maybe a future video if you guys want me to do so, but I'm not going to test it now just in case of copyright infringement. I do not want to have that on my channel. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this little short video of me testing and, like basically unboxing and pairing the JBL GO 2. Well, I never got to record the outro for the GO 2 and the Note 9 pairing and unboxing, so here it is. I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all did, please, well, you don't gotta hit the thumbs up button. I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. See you in the next video. Peace.